Recently, the Land Trust started a new program, which we call our Conservation Science and Research Program, and it focuses on doing studies about biodiversity in our landscape that will help inform the work that we do in our other programs, including our Land Protection Program and our Comox Valley Conservation Partnership Program. The broad range of different species that we have here requires a broad range of different habitat types. Each species' needs are unique and distinct in terms of where they live, where they breed, what they eat. And so our Conservation and Research Science Program is really aiming to inform us about what those species are and what habitats are important. Our first project is really focusing on bats and understanding bats. We have a number of rare species of bat that live here in our community, and protecting their habitat is important.
Bats have been a really important focus for us because they're so directly linked to the biodiversity that we're working to protect here in the Cumberland Forest. So we spend a lot of time in the wetlands and at the edge of the forest monitoring, taking people out, teaching them about the bats amongst us.
Volunteers such as yourself have counted bats at 5,954 times in 883 different places.
It is so satisfying and so fun to bring together volunteers, to go out to different houses and be counting the bats as they leave at dusk and fly out from under the eaves and from behind window frames. You know, when we can have projects that generate that kind of passion and excitement in our community, that feeds the work we're doing too.
The focus of the bat research that we do uses acoustic sampling. So we have ultrasonic microphones that can hear the echolocation calls that bats make, which we can't hear. It records them and maps where they are and tells us what species of bat made the sound. And on occasion, we also attach these microphones to the roof of a vehicle, and we can do what's called the driving transect, where we drive really slowly through the valley at night, recording all the bats that we encounter along our path. And we can do that route over and over again throughout the season and watch how the bat community changes over time.
Right overhead. There it is. I can literally see it right above the truck.
Another one of the tools in our toolbox is what we call an ARU, or an autonomous recording unit. So this is an acoustic microphone that we attach to a pole. And at the bottom of the pole is a recording device that we can leave out in nature in one place for long periods of time. And it will record automatically every single night, all night long. And so that gives us a much more high-resolution look at what bats are in that particular area. One of the other interesting things that our research on bats has shown us is that there are more species of bat here than we knew. We've discovered species of bats here in the Comox Valley that were not known to occur on Vancouver Island, and protecting their habitat is important.
There's another one.